Now in this video I will review the question section C of ISC Chemistry 2025 question paper. Now I am talking about question number 12. Identify ABC. Now C2H5Br with KCN, it will give C2H5CN. On reduction C2H5CH2NH2, and on HNO2 reaction amine will convert into alcohol. So the compound will be A will be C2H5CN, and the B will be C2H5CH2NH2, and the C will be C2H5CH2OH. Second part, CH2H5CONH2, Br2 and KOH. This is what Huffman bromide degradation reaction. So the CO will be removed and the product will be C2H5NH2, and that is the second is carbylamine reaction. So plenty of name reactions, and the product will be isocyanide. So the product will be C2H5NC, and on reduction this is NaC2H5OH. It will convert isocyanide into secondary amine. The product will be C2H5NHCH3. Question number 13, that is the solutions chapter from solution chapter solution. So I have for the first part, in the calculation of molecular mass of this by using the colligative property, what will be the value of Van 't Hoff factor if the solute is 25% dissociated? Means the alpha will be 0.25, and the formula will be what? Alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1, and n, the value of n will be 5, because 5 ions will form K4, 4K plus and 1 complex ion. The value of n will be 5. The 5 minus 1, it will be 4, and 4 will be multiplied by 0.25. It will be 1, and is equal to I minus 1. Minus 1 will go to that side. It becomes 2. So the value of I will be 2. Now second part of this, find the Van 't Hoff factor for dilute aqueous solution of benzoic acid in water when it is completely ionized. Completely ionized means the value of alpha is 1. And what is the relation between I and alpha for association? That is I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 2, or you can say that I is equal to 1 minus alpha by 2. And the value of alpha is 1, so 1 minus 1 by 2, the answer will be 1 by 2 only. So the I will be half only. Now question number 14, that is only name reactions. So again we have seen many name reaction. Now 3 back-to-back name reaction: Finkelstein, Williamson and Riemer-Tiemann reaction. So you can write any example. Now question number 15, that was a difficult task add compared to the other part of the question paper. So here it is a question from crystal field theory. Which of two complex A and B is the lowest spin? The answer will be B will be lowest spin. Okay, the B, because all the electrons are trapped in T2G set. All are paired. Now the second part, A will have 4 unpaired electron. If you will see that T2G4 and EG2, so all 6 orbitals having electrons. So one orbital will have paired electrons. So the overall 4 unpaired electron will be there. And the B, it contains T2G6, so there will be no chance of unpaired electron. The unpaired electron will be 0 in case of B. Third part, A will be weak field ligand. Why weak field ligand? Because less crystal field stabilization energy. Means the gap between T2G set and EG set will be less. That is why it is a weak field ligand. And now 16, question number 16. Answer the following question by referring the electrochemical series. How can anode and cathode half cells be identified in a galvanized? You know very well. What? Lower SREP value shows it is anode. Higher SREP values shows it is cathode. So by the value, with the help of SREP values, you can predict. Now the B part, what is the role of salt bridge? Salt bridge, it neutralizes both anodic and cathodic solution, and it provides complete circuit to the cell. Now the C part, write the advantages and disadvantages of fuel cell. The advantages are high efficiency and it work pollution free, so pollution free working. Disadvantages will be handling of, because it's contain gases, so handling will be difficult, and the catalyst used platinum, and that will be expensive. So the optional part, if you will take a specific conductance of solution decreases, yes. Why? Because increasing in volume, or you can say that area. And the B part, the EMF of the cell should be positive for the spontaneous. Yes, you will connect it with the Gibbs free energy. Delta G will be minus NFE cell. If the E cell will be positive, delta G will be negative. That make the reaction spontaneous. Now name the type of cell in which reaction occurs only in one direction, that is primary cell, and cannot be reversed by the external energy source. Yes, it's a primary cell. Write any one disadvantage of this type of cell. So it cannot be reversed, it cannot be reused, you can say that. Question number 17. Now what is that? It's deuterion based question, biomolecule based question. The structure of amino acid exists in the following two forms. So the structure of an example of deuterion. Okay, if the side R is replaced by hydrogen, this is known as glycine. Amino acid will be the first amino acid, glycine. So the first blank deuterion, the second blank glycine. Janice noticed that her gums bleeding, means this question from scurvy disease, and it is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Now, which linkage hold two units of monosaccharides in a disaccharides? That is glycosidic linkage. Now see question number 18. Now question number 18 is the most expected question. So you will solve it. Equation 1 and 2. If you will solve with the help of equation 1 and 2, the order of reaction of Cl2 will come. That will be first order. And if you will solve with the help of equation 1 and 3, then the order of reaction for NO will come. That will be 2. So the overall order of reaction will be 3, and the value of K you will calculate with the help of any one equation. Then the value will be 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So we have solved question number section C, that start from question number 12 to question number 18. How many marks you got? Please tell me in comment box. I hope you have done well. Okay, most of the question from the biomolecule you have seen, and identification of the compound also, and at the end I am sharing the pics of the solution of the question paper. You can see the answers what I have already discussed with the question simultaneously. I hope it was solved only, not a very well written. It will take time if I will do the same. So please get the answers, and what you have done in the examination you can compare. I hope you have done very well, so you will be happy. All the best, and into the next video I will discuss about the section D, the last section of the question paper. Thank you.